Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our home office heaven. In this channel we are all about transforming your work from home space into a productive and stylish oasis. Whether you are a freelancer, remote worker, or just need a cozy spot to study or create, we have got you covered. Join us on this journey of exploring inspirational workstations, smart organization tips, and DIY projects that will elevate your home office to set up to new heights. From chic decor ideas to ergonomic solutions, we will help you curate a workspace that sparks joy and boosts productivity. Our videos will showcase a variety of themes from minimalist and modern to bohemian and cozy, catering to all tastes and preferences. You will find budget-friendly hacks and creative ways to maximize your space without compromising on style. Let's make your home office dreams come true together. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you would not miss any of our exciting content. Get ready to transform your workspace into a place where inspiration flows and work becomes a player. Thanks for watching my video.